Theta value equivalent to 13.6689 rands a coin. The present cost range, 13.5410 13.9295. The earlier day close, 13.7856. The change was 0.1167. 0.85%. Converse rate, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost 13.34 rands, high 14.27, low 12.41. Theta gauge on Tuesday, July 11, cost 13.83 rands, high 14.80, low 12.86. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost 13.47 rands, high 14.41, low 12.53. Theta gauge on Thursday, July 13, cost 12.77 rands, high 13.66, low 11.88. Theta cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost 12.73 rands, high 13.62, low 11.84. In multi-week Theta gauge on Monday, July 17, cost 12.88 rands, high 13.78, low 11.98. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, July 18, cost 12.93 rands, high 13.84, low 12.02. Theta gauge on Wednesday, July 19, cost 13.67 rands, high 14.63, low 12.71. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost 14.18 rands, high 15.17, low 13.19. Theta gauge on Friday, July 21, cost 14.14 rands, high 15.13, low 13.15. In about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost 13.36 rands, high 14.30, low 12.42. Theta gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost 13.73 rands, high 14.69, low 12.77. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost 13.09 rands, high 14.01, low 12.17. Theta gauge on Thursday, July 27, cost 13.67 rands, high 14.63, low 12.71. Theta cost forecast on Friday, July 28, cost 13.42 rands, high 14.36, low 12.48. In 3 weeks Theta figure on Monday, July 31, cost 14.24 rands, high 15.24, low 13.24. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost 14.10 rands, high 15.09, low 13.11. Theta figure on Wednesday, August 2, cost 14.89 rands, high 15.93, low 13.85. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost 15.37 rands, high 16.45, low 14.29. Theta figure on Friday, August 4, cost 15.26 rands, high 16.33, low 14.19. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost 14.97 rands, high 16.02, low 13.92. Theta figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost 14.80 rands, high 15.84, low 13.76. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at 13.69 rands, excessive cost 15.24, while low cost 11.84. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.75. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 14.24, change for July 4.0%. Theta estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 14.24 rands, exorbitant cost 16.45, while low cost 13.11. The found the middle value of cost 14.68. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 14.93, change for August 4.8%. Theta cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 14.93 rands, exorbitant cost 14.93, while low cost 11.66. The found the middle value of cost 13.52. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 12.54, change for September 16.0%. Theta estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 12.54 rands, exorbitant cost 12.54. While low cost 10.62, the found the middle value of cost 11.78. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 11.42, change for October 8.9%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 11.42 rands, exorbitant cost 11.91. While low cost 10.35, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.20. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 11.13, change for November 2.5%. Theta conjecture for December 2023. At the outset cost at 11.13 rands, excessive cost 11.13, while low cost 9.29. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.39. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.99, change for December 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 9.99 rands, excessive cost 12.33, while low cost 9.99. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.96. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 11.52. Change for January 15.3%. Theta conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 11.52 rands, excessive cost 14.30, while low cost 11.52. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.68. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 13.36, change for February 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 13.36 rands, exorbitant cost 14.52. While low cost 12.62. The found the middle value of cost 13.52. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 13.57, change for spring 1.6%. Theta estimate for April 2024. To start with cost at 13.57 rands, exorbitant cost 14.76. While low cost 12.82. The found the middle value of cost 13.74. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 13.79. Change for April 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at 13.79 rands, exorbitant cost 16.17, while low cost 13.79. The found the middle value of cost 14.72. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.11. Change for May 9.6%. Theta conjecture for June 2024. Before all else cost at 15.11 rands, excessive cost 15.91, while low cost 13.83. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.93. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 14.87, change for June 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at 14.87 rands,